Peace, everybody. It is the grand scheme of crypto back at you once again with another video. This time we're going to be talking about legacy coins and how some legacy coins are dominating the charts, like the recent TRX run and pump. Let's jump into it. But before we do, nothing said here is financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Let's jump right into it. So I'm not sure if you guys seen the recent TRX pump, but it did a nice amount of gains. Let me just see if I can pull it up real quick before we jump into the video really quickly here. I was looking at Cardano. Let's see really quickly, just so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. And we'll go right here. We'll look at it on Bybit. So look at that pump. So let me see. Oops. Move this out the way. So I mean, it's really been uptrending since Tron has actually been uptrending since May, in January actually. So it's honestly been like a good token to hold since that time. But this most recent pump was on like December 1st or November, I guess. I mean, it's only done a 2x. I mean, let's see. It's only done like a 1 point, yeah, it's only done like a 2x and now it's down. It did almost 2x and now it's down almost 100%, almost 50% from that. So, I mean, sheesh. I'm not even sure what the all-time highs for Tron are. Like for the last bull, maybe let me see if we can find a chart. Because let me see Binance. There we go. So 2021. So it's already kind of cracked the all-time highs. It's sitting at support on the previous all-time high, the last bull market. So wow, Tron. So this is, I mean, but it's only been, of course, this is where you want to get it. Like this is, like 6 cents. December of 2022 when the bear market first started, and you would have already had a 4x, 4.5x here. Like I said, guys, money is made in the bear market. I'll say this every video. I've been a part of a few bear markets, and this was my longest one, and that's when you learn the most. Now of course Tron is oversold, so it's probably going to be coming down some more here. Um, where you kind of just have to, play with the chart for yourself and just kind of identify some key levels to kind of figure out where it'll probably, dip back down to. Kind of move this out the way. And we can see, okay, boom. And we might not hit this. We might dip back down. Let me just draw something. We might do this. Boop. We might come down and touch this. We might get a dip and come down and touch this. But then who knows? This is on a daily, so this is on the daily chart. So this is going into 2026. So really, if we're in the bull market, let me actually remove this real quick. Because if we're in a bull market, I could just control Z. So if we're in a bull market, so technically what we can do is it'll probably do something like this, because this is probably do something like that. These are daily candles. So this is something like that. Are these daily candles? No, this is a month. What am I doing? Sorry about that. Let me change my chart up here. There we go. How do I get on the monthly? So anyways, so yeah, it's already came back down. It's already come back down 25% from its all-time high. Okay, and it's sitting on the previous all-time high, 33 cents. This is the new all-time high. It's 45 cents. All right, so it wicked up. It actually closed the candle up there, or closed the candle down here, but it did get that high. So now we're sitting on this support here, and let me go back to drawing my line. So we'll probably do something like this. Come back up because we're gonna try to retest this. We close. I think, did we close above it? Is that a candle close? So this is today. So if we close above this area today, then I mean things might look good. We'll probably just see continuation. But if not, then I'll see something like this. Get rejected, come down, whatever, and then bounce back up. It might not take that long, but that's pretty much what I think is maybe going to happen. And RSI is looking good. We're not oversold, so this is probably about to honestly bounce back up. Just so let me put another scenario. Doop. I mean, gather some momentum, then boop, and then we're just bullish all December, and now we start making our way to 80 cents. I mean, I don't know where we start making our way to. This is price discovery, honestly. So that's it for this one. Well, actually, we haven't even gone through the article. So we're looking at Tron. Um, so this video is talking about legacy coins. So there's a couple of legacy coins that have been pumping, such as Tron. The other one is BNB, and the other one is XRP. I'm not sure if you guys saw XRP, but it pumped 400% in the last 30 days. So why are legacy coins pumping right now? So there is no single reason, but these coins, like I said, these coins are tried and true. So when these coins are pumping, because these are coins that people have already know that they're lots of liquidity, and these coins are a part of the, I want to say, essential infrastructure for crypto because they've been around so long. Like Tron, for example, it's been around for so long, and fast TPS. It's a great blockchain. You can use it as an off ramp, kind of move crypto around. So, and then they also just launched Sun.pump. And it says here a year ago BNB dropped to $200 amid the SEC scrutiny. Look at it now, picking a new high. This is the power of holding legacy coins. So yeah, everything is hitting new all-time highs, $770. BNB is about to hit $1,000, and then probably shoot for 1,500. I mean, who really knows? But the question remains, will this rally continue? So I have three strong reasons to believe that it will. Let's go through the article here. So reason one, BNB hit a TA milestone in the form of a golden cross. So its 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day SMA. It would be nice to include a screenshot on here, but actually, I'll see if I can pull this up on the chart for us to look at. Reason two, it also broke out of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which indicates a shift from a downtrend into an uptrend. And then Binance saw a serious increase in derivative data trading volume. This also helped move the price. It indicates that more people are coming back into crypto, which is very bullish. So all of this tends to predict an end to a bearish pattern, obviously, right? And then, like we just mentioned, we have new all-time highs for Tron, currently at 43 cents. A month ago, it was about 16 cents. So, and before that, in January, it was about 6 cents. So you had a lot of time to get Tron all throughout the year. Could have, made a lot of money on Tron. Tron's controversial founder, Justin Sun, joined the WLFI, or World Liberty Financial, as an advisor on the 26th of November. And this is Donald Trump's DeFi venture, which I did know, which is very bullish. Sun invested $30 million into this venture, and could this have been a potential catalyst for that rally? And it is interesting. I did see this tweet by Justin Sun, Tron 2, TRX equal XRP. I did not know that. I did not take note of that. I should have bought some Tron when he posted that. Because that just goes to show you guys that if you really pay attention, there is always lots of opportunity here, because stuff like this, like he tweeted, and then next thing you know, TRX pumps. And obviously he knew TRX was gonna pump because of this announcement, right? Then we have, can legacy coins pump further? So now the logical question is if they can pump any further. Let's look at BNB first. The psychological barrier will be $800 for BNB. After that, it's uncharted. It's all uncharted territory. BNB will be on the discovery path from here. 1,000 seems to be the next logical step, as I just mentioned. However, some analytics are targeting a slightly higher price. How about $1,630 for BNB, as projected by Ali charts? Don't forget, we're in the bull market. Almost anything is possible so early in the game. So yeah, definitely that price for BNB is not out of the question. Maybe even higher, maybe even a $3,000 BNB. As far as like what I'm looking at, and that's just me guessing. That's not me basing that off any kind of analysis. That's just my gut feeling, for lack of a better term. So do with that what you will. So then we say, what's up with Tron? It almost doubled its market cap in a single day, from 20 billion on December 3rd to 35 billion dollars right now. So $1 seems realistic at the moment. That's another 2.5x from here. So Tron is, like we said, we just looked at the chart on Tron. And then we also have a list of legacy tokens that may, here's some reasons why why legacy tokens might be more appealing to crypto investors, right? So the OG crypto traders and institutions have valued their proven track record. Most of them already have a high coin circulation, which is very important, and there are no more unlocks, or very few. Most money may be with Gen X and Gen Y investors. However, they are also more cautious and prefer well-known projects. So, and then we have a list down here of legacy coins that may have not pumped yet. So we have Ethereum, AVAX, TON, DOT, NEAR, CHD, Chiliz, and Chrono. So, and there's also plenty of other coins to keep a lookout for. If you want to see the coins that I'm actually looking at, that I'm charting, join the group. It's up here on your left. It's a free group. I'm going to be closing it up once we get to maybe 50 to 100 members. Just to not have it so big, but we'll see how it works out. But definitely join up, because you need to get with a community so that you can kind of stay in the loop, share information, and just have a community of people to like ask questions, because lots of things happen in crypto, and there's oftentimes like you might have funds stuck somewhere, or something may happen, and you may have a situation where you may think you're compromised, and you don't kind of know where to turn, and you're left like, go email the centralized exchange, whether it be Coinbase or whatever, and just wait for a reply. And sometimes that can be kind of a process that's kind of daunting, right? Just by yourself, not knowing the status of your funds, right? Depending on the situation. So definitely join the group, guys. That's it for this one. If you guys like the content, subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's it for this one. I'm out. Peace.